Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to change the language in Photoshop. And if you just follow me here, I can show you what I know and what you can do to get this process to go through properly. So here I am in Photoshop and I have it in English. If you go to Edit, Preferences, Interface, here it says UI Text Options. It says that I'm English now, and that's all I have installed. I could also change the font size here. Keep in mind, you're going to have to download a pack from Photoshop. You may have to pay for this, so keep that in mind. My name is Zach, and I just showed you where you can change your language preferences in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.